guys, I hope you're all well. We're back again with another brand new pair of Jordan 1 mids. This time around we have the blue mints that did just release this week here in Australia. I believe it was Wednesday that they actually dropped in Oz at Footlocker. So as I said, let's grab the box, we'll jump in and we'll have a quick look and we'll see what we can come up with. Here we have it, just your classic Jordan 1 box, black box with the sizing and stuff like that. So here we are, we'll open it up. Classic 23 paper, and then we have the beautiful blue mint. So yeah, there we have it guys, we have the blue mint. So it has got like a bit of a teal colorway. So the back half of the shoe around here, around the sides, up towards the flaps is all like a teal. The sole is teal as well, which is a very nice touch too. And then we have like a bit of a light navy with the swoosh and around the toe and stuff like that. We do have a white toe, white panels. Overall, I actually really do fancy this shoe, to be honest. And a bit of a funny fact also is that when I actually did cop this today, I wasn't at Footlocker. I wasn't going to Footlocker, I should say, to buy shoes. I had no idea that these were releasing. I did drop the ball on these, unfortunately. I didn't know about them. So virtually, as I said, I was at Footlocker. I was actually going to buy some hats and some shirts, and I just so happened to see these on display at the front window basically. So I was like, what the hell? Alright, so I hit up the guys and I was like, basically, what's the chances you guys have a 13 in these? And wouldn't you know it, he walked out, he said, I got one size in, I got one size only, it's yours if you want it. And like, you know what, we got to cop it. So there we have it. As I said, we got it. Now back to the shoe. With the actual navy itself, it is a lot lighter compared to say the armories, for instance, which I will grab. I know I reference the armories a lot, but I just can't help it, unfortunately. So the armory, for instance, here, and then you have your blue mint. So the armory has a very dark navy blue, where the mints have a very like a lighter, paler blue, which is a really nice touch because I don't think I could have dealt with another dark blue. When I first seen it, it kind of reminded me as a woman's colorway, just because of the teal and stuff like that. But then obviously quickly realised that it was a men's shoe and I had to have it basically. So we did try our luck on a few raffles the last couple of days with the releases. There's been a stacked releases this week, to be honest. So we had the bleach corals that dropped tonight on Nike. I did try my luck there, but for some reason the website kind of crashed and it sent everything into damage control really, because they did have the release of the blank canvas 4s, and that was a raffle where you have your 10 minutes to quickly enter as many times as you can as such. Don't condone it, but good for you if you do. And then what happened is that then all of a sudden it read up with the Jordan 1 low bleach corals that all of a sudden it was in a raffle, but it wasn't. It had no time, it had no nothing. It was just first in, best dress. And unfortunately, as I said, I tried my luck. I believe I was one of the first in there. I had everything pre-saved, ready to go, and it just kept sending me back into your entry is invalid and stuff like that. So I was a little bit dirty about that, but it is what it is. I have gone ahead and I have checked the stockx sales and stuff on it, and they're not too bad. They're just a little over retail, which is pretty good. So there's a good chance I still will cop them. We will just, as I said, we will see what happens, whether it's this week or if I even bother getting them, to be honest. But so a bit of good news with the raffles is that we did cop the Jordan 4 military blacks, which we got those yesterday. So hopefully they're here mid next week, and then obviously once they rock up, we will definitely be doing a review on those. It's a very, very hype shoe, to be honest. I've seen it come and go over the last 4 weeks, give or take. Everyone's starting to sell it on the resellers. There's some very interesting prices, to be honest, on the Jordan 4 military blacks. So who knows, I may end up actually reselling mine because I'm not too sure if I'm going to like them or if they're going to suit. Same with the Jordan 5s. I'm a bit iffy on the Jordan 5s too at the moment. So back to this beautiful thing. So we do have the classic leather all the way around. So we have the toe, all your other side panels and stuff like that are all leather. So overall, I think this is a cop. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And yeah, anyway, back to it. So obviously we have the navy laces, which I think is a really nice touch, to be honest. I would have liked to have seen them come with 2 sets. Maybe I really would have liked to have seen these come with a set of teal laces. I think it really would have made this shoe pop with a teal lace. Not that the navy lace is bad. I genuinely like the navy lace. It all blends in with the tongue and stuff like that. But without further ado, I'm gonna jump in, give you guys a quick close up, and I'll be back. But guys, that's my honest review on the Air Jordan Mid Blue Mints. Would I cop this again? Most definitely. There's a good chance that I'll end up buying a second pair just so I can wear one and keep one. But anyway guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.
100 racks, you ain't nothing like Nip Watts, well that's a fucking fact. Putting on for my city.